How does TCL Google TV work? TCL Google TV combines Google's smart TV platform with TCL's advanced display technology, offering a personalized, content-driven experience. It integrates live TV, streaming apps, voice control, and smart home features into a single interface, making it easy to access entertainment across multiple services. First, Google TV Smart Platform. TCL Google TV runs on Google TV OS, which organizes content from different streaming platforms into a unified home screen. Users can find movies, shows, and live TV without switching between apps, thanks to Google's AI-powered recommendations. 2. Built-in Google Assistant and voice control. With Google Assistant, users can search for content, control smart home devices, check the weather, and get recommendations using voice commands. The remote includes a built-in Google Assistant button for hands-free interaction. 3. Access to thousands of apps. TCL Google TV supports Google Play Store, providing access to apps like Netflix, YouTube, Disney+, Prime Video, HBO Max, and more. Users can also install games, fitness apps, and productivity tools directly on the TV. 4. Chromecast built-in and screen mirroring. With Chromecast built-in, users can cast videos, photos, and music from their smartphones, tablets, or laptops to the TV. This feature allows seamless content sharing without needing an external casting device. 5. Personalized profiles and watch lists. Google TV allows users to create multiple profiles, ensuring each family member gets personalized recommendations and a customized watch list. Kids' profiles provide age-appropriate content and parental controls. 6th, smart home and IoT integration. TCL Google TV integrates with Google Home and other smart devices, allowing users to control smart lights, cameras, thermostats, and more directly from the TV. It acts as a central hub for connected devices. TCL Google TV offers a smart, user-friendly entertainment experience by combining Google's AI-powered interface, built-in voice assistant, and seamless content access. With thousands of apps, personalized recommendations, and smart home integration, it transforms how users watch TV.